Hey guys, welcome to FoodArtTech channel. Today I am going to share with you my bullet journal planning for March. If you are new here, please visit my February bullet journal for the reference. For decorating the cover page, I have taken the piece of brown paper and written March with some fancy lettering. Nowadays, I am learning some fancy lettering techniques or handwriting techniques. So I have created this with that. Now I will stick it with some glue. Further, I am decorating it with some washi tapes. These washi tapes are very easy and convenient and look so beautiful. I am adding them to the edges of the paper so it will seal it and this will look like a border. For the monthly view, I have created March with some decorative letters and creating a tabular calendar. For health tracker or habit tracker, I have created this design. You can see how to create it from the image. Each box is having 4 sections for the habits. For one day, I have decided to add 4 of the habits. If you don't want to create something like this, you can simply draw a calendar as we have created it there and add your habits by adding colors. For a single habit, you will have to create a single table. So as many as habit, as many as calendars. I have created here a social media calendar or tracker. You can do it for your study also or as per your choice. I am adding a YouTube logo. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to FoodArtTech channel. Now I am creating a logo for Instagram. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook and UC News. In the UC News, you can find written recipes and description of the videos that we create. Now I am adding some colors to make it more fun. You can also share your spreads and your bullet journal photographs with us on social medias. The link for each social media are given in the description box below. Expense tracker is very important to check our money and control it. I have simply added the date and detail and created a table with total amount and comments. This is very simple and easy. Next is monthly task. I have divided them into 3 sections: work, home and other. I simply prioritize my 3 goals for each section and write them here. Further, I divide them into daily tasks so that you can do it in weekly progress and you have no burden for any of your goal and you can achieve them on time. And you can write a to-do list here. So this is how I plan my month. You can also create weekly tasks, but I have not done it here. This is reminders. Next is daily spread. As March starts from Thursday and ends on 4th Sunday, so I have created here 4 of sections for that, because I plan my month from 1 and not according to the week. So I have created 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Now I am adding some colors here because March is a very beautiful month. Plus, according to Indian calendar, 2nd of March is a colorful festival that is called Holi. So adding some colors that represents Holi. And I am also spreading some colors in the whole my week to make it more beautiful and attractive. I am decorating everything further, like colors in the calendar, some golden touch. Some of my habits are created by distinguished with each colors. Adding some quotes, some money signs. So this is how the key is, and that's it. Let it go.